What is the secret for a good mood? New Delhi, the national capital of India, has many other cities around it, mythical and ancient, medieval and modern. It is a cocktail of cities. A restaurant in Old Delhi has the recipe for the secret of good mood. What is it? Let us find out. The iconic area of the restaurant is also connected with the Delhi Metro. As you commute to Karim's restaurant in Old Delhi, you shall not be surprised to see the goats and the sounds of the incessant traffic. The restaurant is in the vicinity of Jama Masjid, India's largest mosque. When you are about to reach the restaurant, you may also see people who look unusual, but they rely on the instant generosity of the people in the locality, both residents and visitors. Started by Haji Karimuddin in 1913, Karim has unique dishes which sound like snippets of Mughal India, such as Laziz Murg Saag, which is a chicken and spinach dish, Badshahi Badam Pasanda, which is tender chunks of mutton simmered in tangy almond paste, grilled meats from the tandoor, and an array of biryanis with dried fruits and pungent spices, steaming hot naans and rotis. One of the signature dishes of the restaurant is brain curry. Like most other internal organs, the brain is an offal which can serve as a nourishment. Being food beings, human beings have been eating the brains of pigs and squirrels and other animals. The brain of certain animals is a delicacy in French, Chinese, and Turkish cuisines, and to some extent in the Indian subcontinent. Here, the brain curry is quite popular and known in Hindi and Urdu as beja. Beja is a classic recipe made with goat brain, freshly grounded masala spices, and ghee. The soft meat of the dish is tender and melts almost like a butter. Brain curry of goats. Possibly one of the reasons for the goats to abound in the neighborhood is their utility, both for companionship and livelihood of human beings. I visit the restaurant now along with my friend and journalist Asad. Although from Bihar, Asad has been living in Delhi trying to comprehend the ways of livelihoods of people in this sleepless city. We ordered beja and the most skillfully made bread, rumal roti. Rumal roti weighs and resembles like a handkerchief. Even today, the recipes of the dishes in this restaurant are secretly guarded. Although the 4-page menu of the restaurant says more about its origins, it talks very little about each dish. Muhammad Sharik says a lot of people visit the area, but nobody knows exactly how many visit in a day. One of the sous chefs of this eatery is Nimul Haq. Once the main dishes of the day are cooked, they are stored in huge metal pots and placed on a low flame of fire. As the waiters bring him orders, he scoops out certain amount from the respective pot and hands it to the waiters. To beat the heat, Nimul Haq is fanned by an electric fan. He reluctantly shares some aspects of making the dishes, such as ghee. The clarified butter is extensively used. Hasim plies a motorized rickshaw in this area. He says the eateries in this area attract people to come and dine because the food is good, the prices are reasonable, and the functional system in the locality is not to loot the visitors. Karim is rated as one of the best restaurants in Asia by the Time magazine. Today, it is run by the 4th generation of chefs, cooking Mughal delicacies with the menu that is decades old. The resilience of the restaurant is its longevity. It has seen two world wars, the deepening and the exiting of British Raj, and outliving the coronavirus pandemic. The eatery and its location in the national capital of India is a tribute to Indian democracy, secularism, and the composite culture of over 5 millennia. India is the country of unity in diversity, and it is reflected in its culinary heritage and diversity. If you are wondering what is the gateway for the secret of good mood, then it is in the punchline of this restaurant. The secret of good mood, taste of Karim's food. Thank you.